Good evening, folks. Just a quick update. Doing some wiring. As you can see, I got all the ground going to the back of the rear of the body, ground that's going to go up front to the car. That's coming from the alternator shut off. All the switches right there for the shut off. And then it's going up the chassis. And then I'm bringing it out the front. Let me put a light on here. Bringing it out the body right there. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. It's a body. And it comes up here to the starter relay wire. The main wire going down over here to the starter. And then the ground going to the back of the body. I haven't got the body's going to go, the ground's going to come right through there on the ground. I still have to hook up the alternator wire. But that I'm going to finish tomorrow. Today I'm a little bit, I haven't filmed much. I should have filmed while I was wiring, just so you could kind of see what I was doing. But I will film some more tomorrow of more wiring I'm going to do. Like I said, I got to drill a hole for the ground. I got to hook the grounds up. And then I got to work on here is the wire for the alternator. Here's the wire for the power. Here's the wire for the ground. And I'll show you what I got. I got it all right here. And of course I got a mess right there, but I'll get it straightened out. That's the wire. But you got and then this wire here is for my fuel pump wire. I got the fuel pump sending wire, so that for the gas gauge. But this is positive ground. So just doing a little bit of wiring. And I got to finish wiring it up. I got the fuse panel hung up here for now. It was along that firewall because I'm going to relocate it up higher in the firewall. But for now, it's hot. I want to go in the house, sit down and relax for a little bit. Just thought I'd give you a quick update video. I'll post some more tomorrow as I do some more wiring. It's just a lot of wiring I got to do. Thank you, folks, for your interest. Like, comment, share, subscribe. It helps. So that way I know what you want to see. Just post up a little comment. And also right here, I got to work on these wires. There's bad ground in here and stuff. So, yep, just a little bit of wiring I got to do. I got all brand new wiring to run the wiring, color code it and everything. So I got to figure out which color I'm going to use for the alternator wire. I got to use what color I'm going to use for the ground wire, or not the ground wire, but for the water pump wires, and then the temperature sensors right there. So I got just a few things I got to hook up, but thought I'd give you a quick update. Thanks, folks. Have a good evening.